Hello everyone. In the last video, we discussed about data flow diagrams. Now, we will discuss about various other tools which are used in system analysis. These can be categorized as data dictionary, structured English, decision tree, and decision table. Let's discuss these one by one. First of all, data dictionary. It is a structured repository of data. It keeps details of data flows, process, and data stores. The data, if in cases numeric, is arranged either in ascending or descending order and alphabetically if it is character-based. Data dictionary clearly documents the lists of contents of all data flows, data structure, and data stores. It has three basic classifications: elements, structures, flow, and the storage. Data element is the small unit of data. Element is the smallest unit of data. Further decomposition is not possible. These are used as building blocks for other data in the system, and they consist of names and descriptions of data and control items, data stores, etc. Data structure is a group of data elements which work together as a unit, and these are used to define or describe the system components. The data flow and the data stores or data storage consist of data structures in motion. Data storage deals with the information about from where the data enters into the system and exits out of the system. It may include files, tables, etc. Structured English, on the other hand, describes about what is required to code and how to code it. It helps a programmer to write error-free code. In this, the analyst first identifies the conditions that occur in the process, subsequent decisions which are to be made, and alternative actions to be taken. It uses logical constructs to carry out the instructions to be performed. Here, the steps are clearly listed in order in which they should be taken. Decisions are basically made through if, then, else, while, or do-while statements. For example, enter product name. Seek product name in product name DB file. If product name is found, then call procedure product authentication. Else, print error message. Call procedure new product request and endif. Decision trees are the ones which are tree-like structures that represent the various conditions and the possible actions that can be taken. They also tell about the priority in which the conditions are to be tested. They're easy to construct, update, and read. This makes the solution of the problem simple. There are various advantages of decision trees. Firstly, they are easy to understand. They can be easily applied to solve real-life problems. Graphical representation makes it easy to understand the problem, and important insights of the problem can be generated based on excerpts from the tree. Decision table, on the other hand, represents conditions and the respective actions to be taken to fulfill them in a tabular format. It is an excellent tool to be used for testing and requirement management. It makes it feasible to check whether all combinations of conditions have been considered and which conditions have been missed. It is made up of 4 parts, namely, conditions tab, which represents the various possible conditions that can occur. Condition entry, which specifies which condition is being analyzed. Actions tab, which stores the various actions taken for different conditions. And action entry, which shows which action is taken corresponding to a particular set of conditions. There are various advantages of decision tables also. Firstly, these are easy to draw and the changes can be made easily too. Documentation in these becomes compact as small tables replace the several pages of flowcharts. It is easier to follow a path down the table as compared to flowcharts. With this, we finish today's lecture. Thank you.